What's up guys, this is Macharia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to vlog in the streets. Most of you guys are afraid of vlogging in the streets, but today I want to show you how you can do this without any fear, You can just go sit down somewhere and start vlogging. And let me see how this one goes. You just want to go up there and show how this place looks like. It opens like that, Then go see. Come on, it's going down. I don't know. Maybe there's somebody that's going up. Let me see this. I don't know whether this button is actually working. Let's see. Yeah, what's up guys? I was doing a room consultant here in Nakuru City. Actually, you can see I'm on a building here. Yeah, this is Moonlight. I'm in a hotel and they charge like $20 or after $25 a night when you are just one person. No, 25 actually. $25 is when you have a bed and breakfast, but $20 is only bed and you wake up and leave. And most of the time, like we YouTubers, most of the time we just travel. We just wanna go and experience outside there, But it's so cheap here. It's actually affordable. So if you're that guy, just wanna come here, come to Hotel Moonlight. Come and get a bed, a good bed. This is a beautiful place, a very, very safe place to be, Let me see you there. That somebody wanted a room in this place. Up here, I just come from the elevator there, and now I just want to show you how you can vlog in the streets without any fear. Why do you guys fear to vlog in the streets? I don't know why you guys fear. It's very simple, like this. You can see I'm actually walking at the middle of the road, and I don't care. Nobody will ever ask you a question, It's very, very simple. Like, when you have a small camera like mine, nobody even will realize that you are filming. That's one thing. It looks like it's gonna rain, If you're that guy who cannot be able to walk like talking, you can come and relax to a car like this, you see? And you give us the story of the city. And I just came from this big house here, up there. They are charging $20 a night. And you see up there, the mountain you can see, that's Menegai crater. The other side is a very, very huge crater. Oh. Okay. This is the streets of the city. I think I can have a smoky here. Let me see. Niaje?
Hello.
Naweza kula smoky? Hii ni kamera.
Mbona una rekodi mimi?
Na rekodi smoky. Naweza niuzia smoky? Unauzia kama mtu ako na kamera smoky?
Mbona analeta pesa?
Ndio hiyo sasa nitengenezea. Nafanya? I'm just filming for YouTube. Yeah. YouTube. Yeah. How much is it?
35 for each.
Okay. I'll pay using M-Pesa.
Okay. Pay using
Poshi.
Poshi.
Okay. Give me my smoky now. Here we go, guys. It's very, very sweet. It only costs like 0.3 cents. You know, very cheap. Monica. Okay, thank you, Monica. Okay, you can say hi to my people.
Hello.
Yes. And go check out my channel, Ken. You see yourself there. Okay. You've seen that? Ah, very easy. I told you guys, you don't have to fear anybody. Nobody even cares. Once you are gone, boom. Nobody cares, you know? And everybody came here to do their own businesses. Like, you know, everybody came to do their own businesses, and that's all. So, you can see I'm actually filming in a very, very busy market here. And I'm just walking by. You know. You can hear some guys hawking. Wow. So the idea of today was filming in the streets without fear. You don't have to fear anything, you know. Yeah. Ah, yeah. So everybody wants to be on camera. I think our people are getting used to this. Because most of the time you can see people vlogging in the streets and nobody cares. I'm actually changing my camera because of light. Sometimes it comes, other times it's ran away. You know? Like that. Okay. And we go. Wow. I'm holding my camera so tight. Like even if somebody tries like to snatch it, I'm like, no. It can't come out of my head, man. This is a state terminal inside CBD. No. Holy shit. There's a very big pothole there. That's where the sound like a bomb coming from. I've realized actually I've been on the screen for so long instead of showing you how the city actually looks like. It's looking bright, as you can see. I think I'll have to cut some places at least to give you a good adventure. Okay. Wow, I'm crossing here, you know. Mostly in Africa, nobody cares where you are going. Like even in the streets, you don't even use something we call zebra crossing. You know, let me use these streets actually. Wow. But again, sometimes it's good to vlog mostly in the morning or late in the evening or on holidays and weekends. You know, during the holiday you can vlog peacefully. There is fewer people in the streets. The same as weekends and holidays and and morning hours. You always have that advantage of vlogging when nobody cares, you know. You have that advantage. actually cross the road. That guy is going wild. Okay. Photo and we go. Oh. So guys, please if you know you are near to this channel, consider subscribing. I really do appreciate every time, man. We are very close to 5K subscribers. We are very close. And you guys subscribe, man. We are very close to 5K. Wow. Even if you are watching this video 3 years later and you came here just to see like where, oh, it's very dark. Let me actually walk on there. I need to change my camera settings. I don't know. It looks so dark. So as I was saying, if you are watching this video 3 years later when I upload it and you want to see like the progress of this guy after 3 years, you know, and you are like, when did this guy start his channel? And now he is so big, you know. So I just want to say, remember, you always start somewhere, like what I did. But if you're watching this video 3 years later, please, you're gonna make it. Just remember that. Remember this guy, I was just in the streets of Nakuru, and that's where most of the time my videos come from the Nakuru city, maybe from Nairobi or from Western Kenya. The mainstream where I work, Nairobi, Nakuru, and Western Kenya. That's prison. That's a tuk-tuk. It makes a lot of noise. So that's how it happens. When I was making this video, I was close to 5K subscribers. But as time goes, maybe you watch this video, or even 7 years later,